You did for mommy. Get in yours, baby.
What?
You open up yours. There's more stuff in your stocking.
Mommy, look.
I see all those candy canes. Mommy got some too.
Look, Mama.
Ooh, yummy. Wow, that's cool. What else is in there? Cute.
Mommy, look.
Oh, what is a super duper reindeer pooper keychain?
Mama.
Do you know what that is?
Cute. Bracelet.
No.
That's a bubble gum.
I want to eat it. I want to eat it.
Keep going. Look in the
In
rest.
a minute, baby. That's pretty.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Oh, yay. I wanted to do.
I want to eat it. I want to eat
Baby,
it.
look at the rest.
Baby, open up the rest of them. Then
Just
we can
wait.
eat some.
Do you
So
see how
hard.
full that is?
Daddy.
That's a kazoo.
Mommy, look at me. Oh.
Your own snow globe. You gotta be careful so it doesn't break. Can you shake it up and make it snow? It's Lila Kate's third Christmas and it snowed outside. Well, technically her fourth, but
There's a bubble gum in there.
Yeah.
whoa, I think there's lots of bubble gum in there. Mommy got lots of candy that she likes.
Look, a pig.
Yummy.
Daddy.
That is a pig. Oh, watch, let's see. Oh, it's a flashlight. Oh, don't put it right in your eyes.
I'm gonna get it out.
Okay, I'll get that out. Is that all that's in it? Can you go potty real quick?
No.
Yeah, baby. Let's go to the potty. And then we can
You
open
can
some
bring
more.
the piggy to the potty. Okay? We don't want you to have an accident in your pants. I'll show you how to do it. Come on. Let's go to potty.